Good morning, family. How's everybody doing? So, I have a few facts about Jesus that I would want to share with you. You know how when you're in a relationship and you know things about the person that you're dating or that you're with that nobody else knows, and that kind of just makes your bond stronger. So, that's what I'm hoping to get out of this video, that you will see a more human side of Jesus and a more intimate side of Jesus and just a more interesting side of Jesus, and hopefully that will make him more accessible to you. Number one, it's a wide known fact that Jesus was a carpenter. But what's amazing is, or that's interesting to me, is the one thing that he was working with his whole life is the one thing that he died on was wood. He was a carpenter working with wood, and at the end of the day, that was the one thing that he found himself, or that he died on. The second fact is that he was born in Bethlehem. Bethlehem in Hebrew means place of bread, place of flour that you make bread with. And it's interesting because Jesus always calls himself the bread of life. So he was born in a place that's called place of bread. The next fact is that Jesus' life revolves around a series of the number 3. Remember that he was on the cross for 3 days? He descended into hell for 3 days. He rose on the third day. His ministry started when he was 30. He died at the age of 33. Peter denied him 3 times. He asked Peter, "Do you love me?" 3 times. He was on the cross for 9 hours. 369. What else? Okay, if you want more, please just ask me and I'll tell you more. But yes, his life revolved around the number 3. And then Jesus' name means safety. Yeshua means safety. And then his surname is not Christ. Christ is a Greek word which is Christos, which Christos is actually the right word, and Christos means the anointed one. So it was actually Jesus, the anointed one. And yes, the shortest verse in the Bible is Jesus wept. I love it because it shows a more human side of him, because he didn't come down as this all-powerful God that knew everything and that wasn't emotional. He was very emotional. Like you saw it when he flipped over the table, when he cried knowing he was about to heal somebody. When the 5,000 came, nobody left with a disease. He worked and worked and worked to save everybody. So these interesting facts about Jesus just brings a more human side to him and a more real side to him. And I really hope that it does, or it did that for you today. He was a real person and he's still real today. And he's so invested, just knocking on the door of your heart. Just talk to me. Just tell me hi and I'll be happy all day. That's all he wants. He just wants you to acknowledge him just a little bit. So my time is up. Love you guys.